closest you can get to a virus on a Macintosh. Right now, you can easily quit Safari until this message comes up. Now that you have this message, quit Safari has disappeared. Everything as far as the ability to control and shut it down has been disappeared, and the window only shows your browser has been blocked. Attempts to quit and close a window are all met with resistance. The only way to close it down is to force quit Safari, relaunch Safari, and immediately close the window. Upon relaunch of Safari, go back to your home page, everything goes back to normal.